the Prow portable air compressor. You can plug it into your car, you can plug it into your wall in your house. When it comes with this neat bag. The best price, came with a cool bag, plug-ins to like inner tubes for the AC, the wall, so you can plug it into your wall in your home, of adapters, needles, so you need to put everything somewhere, and so you need a bag. The only downside is it's kind of hard to fit all the wires actually into the device, but you can kind of work with it and you can fit it in there. I'm not going to spend much time on it, so there you go. That's it. Just go check this out outside. So it has a pretty long cord. Look at that. Right into your car. All right. Look at that. So as you can see, it's pretty spot on at 29. So this is the light, it's the mode, you can set it. So I have it at 36, you can put it at 36.5, or you can bring it down to 36 or 35. This is to make it AC/DC, the light, and this is the on. So let's get it going. And it goes off by itself.